The dash is digi, the schedule busy, my head in a hoodie.
There's a spider on my ceiling. I didn't vlog me freaking out, but my mom killed it, so spider's gone.
Going crazy, Weezy produced it and Weezy have made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. No money.
Good morning, it's Mirelle and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am doing a productive day in my life. Since it's officially summer for me and school is done, there's so many things that I want to get done that I haven't during the school year. So that's what I kind of want to accomplish today, like cleaning out my closet, planning for the summer, making my summer goals. So yeah, first thing that I want to do is make my to-do list. So let's go do that. So here is today's to-do list. First is go for a walk, make my summer bucket list, clean out my closet, clean up my room, fix my school stuff, organize my files on my laptop, and then edit a video. To-do list is all done, so I think I'm gonna go eat breakfast now. Hi guys, I'm on a walk right now with my mom. What time is it? 10:41. Gotta get that daily exercise. So I am back home now. It's actually almost 12 noon. We walked for about like an hour or maybe more than an hour just around our neighborhood. I guess now it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna go eat. Hey guys, so right now I'm gonna be planning for the summer, and what I mean by that is kind of, setting goals for myself and making my summer bucket list, because this summer I want to feel productive and get things done and not just waste my days and not do anything. So hopefully, writing them down will help motivate me, and hopefully by sharing it with you guys as well, it'll give you some inspiration on what you can add to your bucket list and maybe help you set some goals as well. I actually found this notebook that I actually haven't written in a while. I do have some writings in it already, and I actually found my 2017 goals in here. And it's funny because on the top of my list is start a YouTube channel, but here we are in 2021 and I do have my YouTube channel. Now it's time to make my 2021 bucket list. Let's just get to it. Okay, so my bucket list is all done. As you can see, this is how it turned out. But yeah, now let me tell you what's on my bucket list. First thing on my list is to go to the beach. Obviously, we all want to go to the beach, so hopefully they're gonna be open this summer. I'm really hoping they are. Next thing is to have an aesthetic picnic. So like those Pinterest picnics that everyone has been trying to do, and to get cute pictures. I really want to do that. Next is to go on a hike. I really love going on hikes. It's a great exercise. Next is to read a book. So I've never really been much of a reader, but I do want to try getting into it. Next is to go on a road trip. Now me and my family love going on road trips, even if it's just an hour away. It's still so much fun, and I love exploring new places. Next is to sell/donate my old clothes. I've always donated my old clothes, but I've never tried selling, so I do want to try that this summer. I know there's Depop and Poshmark that I could sell my clothes on, so I do have to learn how to use it. Next is to pull an all-nighter. I don't think I've ever pulled an all-nighter. I think the latest I've slept was probably 4 or 5 a.m. Next is to take a summer course/certification, and I don't really mean taking summer school. Like it doesn't have to be with your school. You could just search up free courses online. There are so many. You could learn any skill you want to learn. Over the Christmas break, I actually did one on HubSpot, and it was a social media marketing certification. So it was only 8 hours, and I think I did an hour a day and finish it in 8 days, and you're done. So they're really just quick, easy courses that you could do if you want to learn a new skill. Next is to go to a drive-in movie. I've never been to one ever, and I really want to. Next is to watch the sunrise. To watch the sunrise, I'll have to wake up at 5 a.m. So we'll see if that happens, because I wake up at noon. Next is to binge watch a TV show. So I I am not a huge TV person anymore, like because I don't have Netflix. I've had Netflix in the past and then I've watched some TV shows but never finished it. Although I have finished Glee and Jane the Virgin and then like some Netflix series that were just like one season. But if they're like 10 seasons long, I'm sorry, like I can't. Next thing on my list is to bake. I love baking and I love trying out new recipes. Then I have a get my hair done plus get my second piercing. So I've always wanted to get my hair done. This, I've never dyed before, ever. And I've been wanting to dye my hair for so long. I mean, if salons do open up this summer, then I could do this. If not, well, I'll just have to wait longer. And then as for my second piercing, so I've gotten my second piercing like 2 years ago, but I got an infection just a few months ago, and so this one closed over here. This one is still good, but I want to get this one re-pierced. And then I have a buy a camera. Obviously I want to upgrade my filming equipment and upgrade my videos because I definitely want to be making a lot more content this summer since I have more time. And finally, I don't even know if this is gonna happen, that is to get my license and also do my lessons because I got my permit, my G1, that's what it's called here in Ontario. Since everything is closed right now, I don't know if I could even like do my test or my lessons. Like I've heard people's driving test has been canceled to like September, October. So in that case, probably it's unlikely that this will happen, but I still have hope. That is everything on my bucket list. Hopefully that gave you guys some inspiration. Next thing on my to-do list today is to clean out my closet. So most of my clothes are in these drawers here. I do have the closet over there, but I think I'm gonna focus on here first. Obviously the first thing I need to do is remove all the clothes from my drawers, but I think I'm gonna work by drawer, not all at once, because that is gonna be a huge mess. I think I'm gonna start with the bottom drawer and then work my way up. I hope this angle and lighting is not too bad. Oh my god. Okay, it's kind of bad. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna start. As you can see, I could barely open it. I've kind of just put all the stuff on my bed and now I'm just gonna like refold them and sort them, and yeah. So I was like debating whether to make this closet clean out a whole separate video, but I thought, you know, I don't know how entertaining it is for me to like clean out my closet because usually I'm just like so focused on cleaning it out. So I decided, you know, let me just include it in a vlog. Okay, so in this drawer, I actually have these cute patterns. They're like pajama pants that are capri length. I don't know. But the patterns are really nice, and I think I could honestly like DIY this into like a cute top or something. Second drawer, here we go. Okay, this drawer has like a lot more stuff in it because these are all my summer tops slash t-shirts slash like house shirts, I guess. So it was packed in there and I really need to fold all of them. Okay, so I'm done folding everything. I know it looks like a mess, but I promise it's actually all sorted out. So these are my house shirts. Yes, that is One Direction. Those are like my tank tops. These are just like random tops that I didn't know how to organize. Actually, no, those are like my t-shirts and these are just like other tops. But this like pile over here is kind of just like the ones that I might sell or donate. And then this one, those are like memory shirts. But yeah, that's kind of how I sorted it out. Now I just have to put it in the drawer. Remember when everyone had this? I swear everyone had this flannel. Finally, my last drawer. Okay, Okay guys, I'm all done cleaning out my drawers. This top drawer over here, I know it's still pretty full. Maybe I have to look over it again, but these are just like all of my pants, sweatpants, shorts, dresses, and skirts. And then in here are all of like my winter clothes, so like some sweaters, some long sleeves. I also have all of my bathing suits in here and bikinis, and also like my sports bras and bralettes. This drawer is all my summer clothes and t-shirts and tank tops, and then the drawer here at the bottom are just like all of my other sweaters and hoodies and everything. And then I just have a pile of clothes on my bed right now over here, and this is just the stuff that I think I'm gonna like sell or donate. At least I was able to empty out my closet a little bit, because I actually did a closet clean out like at the beginning of the year, so I did get rid of a lot of things already. Another thing I have to do today is clean up my room a little bit. So I realized I also have to fix this little corner. This little wooden box over here is what I use to put like all my school stuff in, so it's kind of like easy access. But now that school is done, I do want to kind of clean it up a bit and maybe keep some of the notebooks because I'm not going to use it. Okay, so I'm done cleaning. As you can see, I actually kept all my winter jackets and my sister's as well, and it's a lot cleaner. I added this plant over here, so there's some green over here in this area. Also, I got this new plant. If you saw my room transformation, you saw that the plant that I first got was kind of not it, so I did get this one. I love it. It's so like lush and like just so nice, and it covers up this like awkward white space right here. Also, like I have these like Polaroids on my walls, but I am planning to take them down and kind of make like a mini collage. I've been trying to plan it for the past few days. I made a whole Pinterest board for it, but I'm so excited to kind of like redecorate some small areas in the room. So it is 5 p.m. now, and I'm actually so proud of what I've accomplished today, and so I deserve a break right now. I'm gonna be chilling in bed for the next like hour maybe, or like half an hour, I don't know. I still have so much like stuff to organize, so right now my plan is to kind of organize all of my school files on my laptop and kind of like delete the things that I don't really need. If you just finished school, definitely recommend you go clean out your laptop so that you have more space. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. So it is later in the night, it's almost 10 p.m. I've had my dinner and brushed my teeth and everything. I'm just gonna go like check my emails and stuff and maybe do some editing. But yeah, that's I think all I have left to do, and then I could just chill. Also, I want to show you guys, I think I mentioned earlier that I am gonna like take down the Polaroids in my room. I was kind of inspired by Fernanda Ramirez. I really love her room and like the colors in her room, so I took inspiration from that, and then I put together a Pinterest board of photos that I might possibly use. These are the photos. They're super aesthetic and pastel themed, and I really love it.